In HVAC terminology, there are two units many residential homeowners encounter, and sometimes they're unclear as to which unit they may have. Simply, one unit would be considered a package unit. A package unit would have the condenser, the evaporator, and everything all included in one package. It would be located outside of the house, generally speaking, and it would be one big box with a fan and a grate. So, for illustrative purposes, we will consider this a package unit. This package unit, whether it be a gas pack, whether it be a heat pump, is everything enclosed in this. It would be one big box. The ductwork plenum would be connected and it would blow into the house through into the ductwork from here. So a split unit would be, as the word says, split unit. And this confuses many homeowners, but the principle is very simple. It's not complicated. It just means they're split. We have two separate units. One is the air handler, one is the condenser. There are two copper lines, generally speaking, uh, going to and from the air handler to the condenser. This is a split unit. The condenser would be outside, the air handler would be inside, whether it be underneath the house or in the attic. That doesn't matter, but if you have a crawl space, many times the first floor. One thing to consider, if you ever buy a two-story house, be sure you have two of these and two of these. Do not get in my opinion, um, one for a two-story house. The system will continue to run and run and run, and it will wear itself out. So again, if buying a two-story house outside, be certain you have two condensers and two air handlers, whether one be in underneath the house or whether one be in the attic. So as the word says, if you wonder if you have a split unit or a package unit, if part of your unit with the blower is under the floor or in the attic, and you have one of these with two copper lines, you have a split unit. On the other hand, if you have one large box with everything enclosed, evaporator, condenser, blower motor, condenser fan motor, etc.,